Welcome everyone, Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
What the best cooking around here? Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe.
Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Thank you all for coming back. Here I have a turkey, and I'm going to be cleaning the turkey with lime, and I also have some vinegar in my water. So after I finish cleaning the turkey up, then I'm going to be pat drying the turkey with a piece of paper towel, and then I'm going to move on to seasoning the turkey. And if this is your first time here on Delicious Delights and you did not subscribe, please subscribe and touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. Here I'm pat drying the turkey. Then I'm going to season the turkey, and happy Thanksgiving to you guys when it comes. Enjoy, enjoy. Okay, so this is a quick and easy, simple turkey recipe. Alright, so I have some vegetables here and I'm going to lay it in my pan.
Wait for me, I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber. By millions. Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights. Full up your appetite. Take it from yard straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and season my turkey, and the seasonings that I'm going to be using: some ground ginger, some black pepper, some thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and some lemon pepper with salt. Okay.
What the best cooking around here? Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe.
Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Come along, everyone.
You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them
Blend up strong back.
You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one.
Wanna wait for me, I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber.
Okay, so here I have some butter, and I'm going to baste the turkey with the butter. So I'm going to go underneath the skin, turkey, and I'm going to rub it in.
Share up the video, make we have fun, man. DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known.
Delicious Delights.
I'm going to rub the butter on the outer part of the turkey, on the legs, all over. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using some vegetables to stuff the turkey, and I'm going to be using corn and bell pepper, onion, spring onion, and thyme.
Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
Come along, everyone.
You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them
Blend up strong back.
You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one.
Wanna wait for me, I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber. By millions. Mama, everything always clean.
So now I'm going to tuck the turkey wing underneath, like that. And I'm going to tie the two legs together. Okay, okay, so I tie my turkey legs together. So I'm just going to drop some thyme in the pan, like that. Okay. So here I have a piece of foil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wrap the turkey leg, the tip of the leg, with the foil paper, because the leg is sticking out, so it will burn quickly. Okay, so I'm going to protect it with the foil.
Well, share it up, cause this is the right one.
Wanna wait for me, I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber. By millions. Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights. Full up your appetite.
Okay guys, let's check the turkey.
Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Boat yard style. Share up the video, make we have fun, man.
Right. Still have a lot more cooking to do, but it's coming on nicely.
What the best cooking around here? Delicious delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel. Come along, everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for that? Me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscribers by the millions. Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights. Full of your appetite. Take it from yard straight to abroad. Everything sweet when I combo.
Here you have it, guys. Beautiful turkey. Like up the video, guys, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Put God first in everything you are doing. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.
Thoughts are feeling endless, sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious, I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed, I hate being open, I hate being broken, I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion, anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion, I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken, I can't move on till I let go, I feel so lost, never at home, need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost.